IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things, is here to transform your business. Open up to an intelligent, invisible network fabric that can be sensed, controlled, and programmed with IoT. IoT-enabled products employ embedded technology that to communicate directly or indirectly with each other or the Internet. 50 billion devices will be connected by 2020. Microland is waiting to transform your world with IIoT. Control your ecosystem from a dashboard. See if your inventory is on the way remotely. Make real-time changes with automation. Get instant reports that help with intelligent decision-making with real-time data on the go. It's a connected industry with Microland, IIoT support for you. Microland supports the entire IIoT lifecycle, from strategy, build, deployment, adoption, to managing the IoT solutions. Get set to reduce downtime, improve asset output for greater business and organization success. IIoT can transform businesses globally. Enter a smart way to communicate, exchange information with a seamless network of monitoring tools and diagnostic tools. Gather insights and benefit from the advantages. Microland can transform industrial enterprises in a comprehensive way, from understanding your needs to answering solutions that define your vision and growth. Get the IIoT advantage with Microland.